AI-powered startups you should watch in 2025. Welcome back to AsadTech Edge. Imagine startups harnessing AI to tackle some of the world's biggest challenges, from revolutionizing healthcare to creating smarter cities. Today, we are diving into AI-powered startups you should watch in 2025. These companies are not just embracing AI, they are changing the game with innovative solutions. Let's explore the future together. Hi, I'm Asad, and this is AsadTech Edge, your ultimate destination for AI and future technologies. If you're passionate about tech trends, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Now, let's dive into these incredible startups. First on our list is PathAI, a company revolutionizing healthcare. Their AI platform analyzes medical images with unprecedented accuracy, helping doctors detect diseases like cancer early. PathAI is improving diagnostic efficiency and saving lives, making them a leader in AI-powered healthcare. Next is Sana Labs, an edtech startup transforming learning. Using AI, Sana Labs personalizes educational content to match each student's learning style. This ensures more effective learning and makes education accessible globally. Their work is reshaping the future of education. In agriculture, FarmWise stands out. This startup is revolutionizing farming with AI-driven robots that optimize planting, weeding, and harvesting by increasing efficiency and reducing waste. FarmWise is paving the way for more sustainable farming methods. For smart cities, Xen AI is leading the charge. Their AI solutions improve urban planning, manage traffic, and optimize energy consumption. With Xen AI, cities are becoming smarter, greener, and more efficient, building a brighter future for urban living. Finally, we have Zest AI, a fintech company redefining credit scoring. By leveraging machine learning, Zest AI creates fairer, more accurate credit assessments, making financial services accessible to more people. Their mission is to ensure inclusivity in the financial world. These are just 5 of the most exciting AI-powered startups in 2025. Which one impressed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AsadTech Edge for more insights into AI and future technologies. As a sneak peek, in our next video, we'll explore the top 5 AI predictions for the next decade. You won't want to miss it, so hit the bell icon to get notified when it's live. If you want to see my previous videos related to these topics, check out 1. Top 5 AI innovations revolutionizing industries in 2025. 2. Top 5 AI-powered gadgets you need in 2025. 3. Top 5 future technologies that will change the world by 2030. 4. Top 5 AI tools that will simplify your life. You can watch these videos by clicking the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.